Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Blast. Today we are looking at beautiful hairstyle ideas for women over 60. A great hairstyle can help you feel confident, stylish and comfortable every day. The best haircut is one of that suits your face shape, hair texture and personal style. Let's explore some wonderful hairstyle ideas that many women over 60 love. First, let's talk about the classic short pixie cut. This haircut is easy to manage and looks neat and elegant. A pixie cut can make thin hair appear fuller and adds a fresh, modern look. It is perfect for women who want a simple hairstyle that requires very little styling. Another popular choice is the layered bob. A bob haircut never goes out of fashion. Layers add movement and volume to the hair, making it look thicker and healthier. You can wear a bob, straight, wavy or slightly curled for different looks. For women who like a little more length, a shoulder length layered haircut is a wonderful option. Soft layers frame the face beautifully and create a youthful appearance. This style works well for both fine and thick hair. Curly hairstyles are also a great choice. Natural curls can add volume and personality to your look. A layered curly hairstyle helps curls stay bouncy and well shaped. Using a moisturizing hair product can help keep curls soft and defined. Many women over 60 are embarrassing their natural gray hair and it looks stunning. Gray hair can be worn in short cuts, bobs or longer style. Adding layers can bring more texture and movement to gray hair, making it look stylish and modern. If you prefer a very easy hairstyle, consider a short layered crop. This haircut is lightweight, comfortable and simple to maintain. It can be styled in just a few minutes, making it perfect for busy women. The shag haircut is another trendy option. Soft layers throughout the hair create volume and texture. This style looks relaxed and youthful while still being elegant. It works especially well for women with fine or thinning hair. Side swept bangs can also make a big difference. Bangs help frame the face and can soften facial features. They blend beautifully with short, medium or long hairstyles. For special occasions, soft waves are always a lovely choice. Gentle waves add movement and create a graceful, sophisticated appearance. They can make any hairstyle look more polished and elegant. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with a beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.